To start our journey together with you, we have a complimentary objective diagnostic assessment survey for you to take, covering 38 organization opportunities and 40 organization aspiration questions in just 15 minutes. Post taking the assessment survey, you will get a report of the best suited consulting and facilitation solution for the specific business aspiration or business future opportunity from our list of 21 creative solutions. The time to action for the solution journeys varies from half a day to 30 days, spread over 1 to 10 weeks. The key themes of the challenge and business opportunities and aspirations are around our 7 anchors. First, organization strategy innovation for the customers. Second, organization value proposition to attract and then retain talent. Third, organization capability and talent strategy to build future skills in people, to hire people internally versus externally versus contractors versus automation. Fourth, talent strategy, which includes solution to develop, engage, and then retain your. Fifth, learning strategy, learning community, and learning culture, blended with learning design and facilitation certification, which caters to problems like traditional learning without any clear impact and ROI to moving on to innovative learning, considering challenges like losing tacit and experience-based knowledge and unable to utilize employee skills, considering learners unable to retain and apply learnings and unable to give benefits to the customers. Sixth, leadership development and change strategy, covering coping with organization changes and leaders struggling with being innovative, leading high-performing teams, influencing skills, motivation, networking, building trust, creating stakeholder value, engaging teams, giving evidence-based feedback and coaching, building a culture of learning, being emotionally intelligent, etc. And lastly, organization culture. We have videos and reading content to elaborate our 21 consulting and facilitation solutions. All these details are available on our website. Do write to us to discuss your journey forward. Let's meet, connect, and collaborate. Creative Learnings Academy, let's go create magic.